Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. Okay, so today we have an unboxing. I know I have not been uploading any videos in a while. I honestly have not been behind this camera in a pretty long time. I think my last video, I forgot what it was, but I discussed like kind of getting back into filming, but life is life. Like life has got me very busy. So yes, I'm gonna work on getting back behind the camera, but I'm only gonna do it when I can. Like, I'm not gonna force anything. I'm just gonna take my time and I'm gonna get back to it when I can. But in the meantime, I did purchase this item. I contemplated recording it. I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna, like, I don't even know how I look. But I didn't even care because the purpose of these videos is just to show you my new piece. I doubt you care what I am out here looking like. But this is the box. It's huge. I'm actually gonna open it my way because the way it's packaged, you can pretty much see my like address and stuff. So as you can see, guys, this box is huge. This piece is from Louis Vuitton. I love, oh, it's so big. I love this little detail right here. It's very, very cute. But let's open this up. So inside, guys, this is like, we need to figure this out. All right, I'm just gonna put it here because I cannot hold this. So here, whoop, I do have the receipt. It's all crumpled and stuff, but I really don't care. Yeah, this is just the receipt and stuff. You guys don't care about that. This is what you're here for. So let's throw that down. I'm out of breath. That was work. That was work for sure. Now let's just get to unboxing this thing. I'm pretty excited for this. Let's see, how are we? Is this a, all right, this is actually a pull, but I'm just gonna let it slide out. Woo. So as you can see, I have two here, and because I have two, you know, it's a pair of shoes. So when I first saw this, I was like, I needed something in this color, and you'll see right now. Yes, I needed a new pair of black boots, but I wanted something edgy, but something that I knew would get used. Like, I didn't want something too different in a sense, too like, okay, this is too much, like I'm not gonna be able to wear this every day. This is something I can literally wear every single day. That is why I chose the black. I think these also come in like a glittery pattern. Those are sold out, like they were gone. Not that I was planning on getting them, but those were definitely sold out, but these were available, so I grabbed these. I love this little metal piece. It definitely adds to the edge. As you all know, platform is still trending like crazy. It's not necessarily the reason why I chose the platform. I like platform shoes anyways, I always did, but I was like, why not? So as you all can see right there, you get the, let's see if I can get it to focus. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see much, but you got the LV here, you get the LV here. I'm gonna put one of these shoes down. It's just beautiful. Is it a little heavy? Because I know that's gonna be a question. Like in my hand, it's not too heavy. I'm gonna try them on and we'll see. I love the canvas. You do get the monogram canvas pattern right here on the pull straps here as well. You get this beautiful LV. I say it's beautiful because I love the simple little touch of it. So walking away, you get this cute little logo in the back. And this platform, as you can see from the shoe, this little piece right here stands out. So my foot would stop right here, but this comes out a little, and hopefully when I show you them on my feet, you'll be able to see them much better. But guys, these are just stunning. I did get these, I believe, in a size, I think these are the size 39s, and I say these because I'll be honest, what is that? Oh, it just says made in Italy. I'm just showing you guys the bottom of the shoe. I got these as well in a size 38.5. They're actually sitting right there. I'm that person, like my feet, I'm fluctuating between 8.5 and 9. So just to be safe, I'll usually buy both sizes just to be safe, guys. That's literally it, because I just didn't want them to sell out on me. So I bought them both. I'll try them both on. I'll show you. Maybe I'll try them both on and then I'll let you guys know, like, should you get your regular size or should you size up? I think I'm still regularly an 8.5, but we'll see. So these are these. Let me just try them on. I'll insert that footage and then I'll come back and I'll let you all know like how they feel on. These are the shoes. So these are the 39s. How do I describe these? Do they fit? Yes, to a certain extent. These, I'm just gonna let my pants fall a little bit just so you can get like a different look. So as far as fit goes, these fit, but I will say they're a little narrow, like right about here. And I know I'm speaking, but I don't know if I'm gonna make this a voiceover or what I'm gonna do. But these are the 39s. They fit, but they hurt on the side. I will say, I think through just wearing heels throughout the years, I do have like a bunion on the sides. So I'm pretty sure that is just what's going on here. But yeah, these are the 39s. These are the 38.5. So I'm gonna come up closer. These are the 38.5. Huh. Interestingly enough, I thought I was good with the 39s, but these actually fit much better. And I talked to you all a little bit about the my bunion right here on my foot. They do not hurt in these at all. We're back. I just, ooh, I'm not even gonna take my glasses off, to be honest. So we're back, like I just said. I tried both shoes on. Let me just grab. So these are the 38.5s, and I think I'm just gonna insert the footage of me trying them on. Do you see the shoes great? No, but you're able to like understand the process of what just happened. So I was under the impression that because these were the 39s, that these would fit better, because I don't know, I just felt like if the shoe was a little bigger, it would fit better. But if you heard in the footage, I do have a little bit of a bunion kind of growing on. It's not even growing, it's been there for a long time. I wore heels. I've always worn heels, so over time just the pushing of the foot has caused the bone to kind of come out on the side a little bit, which is a bunion. So I kind of was having an issue with these. So these are, I'm just checking, yes, these are the 39s. And I was having a little bit of an issue right on the sides. Like I could feel it only on my right foot. I could not feel it on the left foot. But because these are leather, I was like, you know what? It'll just stretch out over time and I should be okay. Something said to me, I was determined. I was like, you know what? Not even determined. I was set. I was like, you know what? It's a 39. It fits fine. Well, it hurts a little bit, but I know it'll fit fine over time. I was like, you know what though? Just try on the 38 and a half. See how it goes. Guys. So much better. Like these fit so much better. So I would say go true to size. It did not, like the bunion on the side did not hurt at all. They felt, the shoes are light on. I know they look bulky and heavy, but the shoes are actually light and you can move fine with them on when you get your regular size. So I'm gonna stick with the 38 and a half. The 39, I didn't realize that they were actually maybe a little too big, so I kept stepping on the platform a little bit. So I'm gonna go with a 38. I'm gonna keep the 38 and a half. My camera's dying, shoot. I'm gonna keep the 38 and a halves. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna be styling these. I'm gonna style them with dresses. Like these are so edgy. I'm gonna have so much fun with these. So follow me on Instagram. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. I'm so sorry I'm rushing out of this. My battery's gonna die. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. Check in on your peoples, guys. I'm always gonna say that. Check in on your peoples. Again, follow me on Instagram at carla.simon19. I will see you all in the next video. Highly recommend. Thus far, highly recommend. They're just a stunning piece. And I realized I did not share the price. These are $1,700 before taxes, which I think is great because the Pradas, the shorter ones, the monolith boots, the shorter ones I believe now are about $1,700, so comparable to any other luxury brand. So I do think the price point is where it should be when you're looking at these luxury brands like your Dior's, your Pradas, your Bottega. It's within all the same price range, $1,700. Keep your size, true to size. I'm gonna return the 39s. I'm gonna keep the 38 and a halves, which is my regular size. See you all in my next video.